Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Heavy Crypto. Yo, bro, today I'm very excited because I've got something good for you. And this video is all about P2P. So if you've been struggling to make money with P2P trading, especially on Paxful and other platforms, make sure you watch this video till to the very end because I'm gonna show you how exactly you're gonna make money with P2P trading. And I've been trading on this platform and it's working for me. So I hope it's gonna work for you as well. So basically, if you don't know what P2P is all about, P2P is all about buying and selling cryptocurrencies straight from one person to another. So this platform helps you to connect to other clients. So basically, you're gonna be a vendor selling cryptocurrencies to other people using different types of payment method. So I've been a vendor on this platform and it's kind of like new right now. But the good thing is it's getting a lot of attention and you're not gonna find scammers on this platform. It's called No One's, and a lot of people are not paying attention to these guys because it's kind of new right now. But if you go to this platform and test it out and put some trades and stuff like that, you're always gonna find legit clients and you're gonna kill it and you're gonna make a lot of money. So basically in this video I'm gonna show you how exactly you're gonna make money using this platform because I've tested it myself and I made a lot of money using it. And right now we're gonna go through it and I'll show you how exactly you're gonna set orders using different payment methods. So basically right now you can see this is the dashboard of this platform. It's called No One's. The link is going to be in the description below as well. But if you've been struggling to make money on Paxful, you better watch this video till the very end because you're going to be able to make money with No One's instead of Paxful. Because one thing I've noticed about Paxful is there's a lot of traders trading on Paxful and there's a lot of scammers. So it's actually hard to find a legit trader that can actually sell you cryptos or find a trader who you can trust and buy cryptos. But on this platform, like, security is high and you're always gonna find better offers and better traders and all that stuff. So in this video, we're gonna go through all that stuff, and now with bullshit and stuff like that, let's get right into it. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of No One. So basically, if you want to sell cryptos, you have to find your account. So I had to put some cash right here. You can see that I've got like approximately 3K, but some of my funds is locked out on trades because, you know, I'm already a vendor on this platform and I've been killing it on this platform. I'm going to show you my trade results and my history and stuff like that. So if I click to my offers right here, you can see that I've got some trades going on right now. I'm just waiting for a payment to reflect to my account so that I can release the coins. So this is how exactly we're killing it. So let me just view one trade. Like, okay, let's take this one, let's view it right now, and then I'm going to show you how it's done and how a person made a payment. So basically what I did is I created an offer, right? This is the sell offer. I've got bitcoins on my wallet and I'm willing it to sell to someone using bank transfer. Okay, so they're gonna have to transfer money to my bank account, and then I'm gonna release coins to them, and this is how exactly I'm gonna make money. So basically I'm charging like 15% above the market price, and this is how I'm killing it because I'm making approximately 15% of what I'm selling. So let's say if I'm selling like 1,000 worth of bitcoins, I'm making 15% off on top of that. And keep in mind that it's not only about Bitcoin. You can sell a lot of stuff like gift cards, or you can buy gift cards as well, and then you're gonna make profit on top of that. So you can see that this guy is willing to buy bitcoins from me using bank transfer, and he's gonna pay 2,000 rand, okay, for this amount, which is 1,742 rand. Okay, so you can see that we're making approximately like 250 as a profit because he's paying 2,000 right here for this amount, and this is via bank transfer. And this is actually a game changer, guys. Imagine if you create multiple trades and then you make approximately like 15% from each and every trade every day, 24/7, 360, baby. So this is how exactly you're gonna be killing it. So I'm just gonna go through the dashboard and then I'll show you some other stuff, and we're gonna go through all of it together. Right here it shows my wallet, and right here shows my active trades. These are active trades that I have to sort out, and this is my verification and stuff like that. And right here you can put your payments accounts and your bank accounts and stuff like that. So let's say for example you want to create an offer, right? So let's say you want to sell your crypto using like bank transfer or gift card or something like that, and you want to make a profit and all that good stuff. You're gonna go to where it's written. But before we go there, I just want to show you the dashboard and show you what sellers are doing on this platform, because a lot of people are killing it, are creating a lot of offers every day. And guys, you can also come here if you want to like to buy cryptos as well, because this is the way to go, guys, and you're gonna find those scammers on Paxful and stuff like that. This is only a P2P platform that I'm recommending right now, to be honest, in 2024. So you can see that a lot of guys are killing it, making like 3% with cheaper cash and stuff like that. Other one are selling using FNB e-wallet. You can actually create e-wallet if you do not have a bank account. So let's say you want to sell your cryptos for e-wallet, meaning that they're gonna have to send e-wallet to you, and then just gonna withdraw it and then make profit on top of your capture that you had on no one's. So you're just gonna create an offer on no one's using e-wallet, and then they're gonna send you e-wallets, and this is how exactly you're gonna make money. You can make approximately like 10%. So you have to be competitive a little bit, right? You can see that this guy is selling at 10%, you're gonna have to put your offer like 9%, so that you're gonna get a lot of a lot of clients. So basically you can see that a lot of people are putting a lot of offers. This one is selling through Skrill. I mean guys, like it's not only about bank transfer. Right here we have different payment methods, and you really have to go like through all of them and find the best one for you, so that you're gonna kill it on these no ones. So let's say you want to create an offer. Let's say you have a bank account and you want to receive crypto using bank account and all that good stuff. You're gonna go to where it's written marketplace and go click where it's written create an offer. All right. So okay, hold on. Yeah, and then click create an offer right there. I don't know why today even my PC is very slow, but anyway guys, we're getting there. So since I've got some bitcoins on my wallet and I'm willing to sell it, right here it says create an offer. So you're gonna go choose your currency. So I've got some bitcoins, I want to sell them. If you have Tether, you're just gonna go ahead and click Tether, and that's where you're gonna sell your Tether. And if you have USDC, you can also sell it right there. So I have some bitcoins, I want to sell them, and this is a sell offer, and right here it says your offer will be listed on buy Bitcoin page. So each and every person who goes on no one's platform and willing to buy bitcoins, they're gonna see your offer because you are selling bitcoins. All right, same thing applies right here. If you want to buy Bitcoin, your offer is gonna be on sell page. All right, so we want to sell, our offer is gonna be on buy page. So we're gonna go ahead and click sell. Right here you have to choose a payment method. So right here you can see that we have hundreds and I mean hundreds of payment methods, right? So my favorite one is bank transfer, because I've got bank accounts and stuff like that. So I prefer people to buy cryptos using my bank account and all that good stuff. I mean, this is actually a good business if you think about it, and you can actually make a living with P2P trading, especially on no one's, right? It's kind of like new, and if you come in early, you're gonna actually have a good profile, and a lot of people gonna actually trust your profile and all that stuff. You don't need to come late, guys. I mean, I'm making this video as early as possible so that you guys can also make money and take advantage of this platform, no one's, and all that good stuff. So let's say we want to create an offer using bank transfer, and keep in mind we also have like online wallets and all that stuff, gift cards. Don't worry, we're gonna be making a lot of videos about all these offers, and I'll show you tricks that we can use to take advantage of all these different payment methods. But right now let's go with bank, and right here you have to choose. So, and right now we're gonna go with bank transfer. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and click bank transfer. Oh my goodness, bro, this is awesome. So we're gonna go click bank transfer, and if you want the international wire transfer and stuff like that, if you want to sell to other people like United States, China, bro, why don't you take the opportunity? So we're gonna go to and click bank transfer, accept the terms and conditions of the bank, and right here name of a bank. So basically banks do not have a lot of names, right? Banks, we all know that they only have one name that they use. Don't put ABSA, Nedbank, blah blah blah. In fact, you can actually list all banks that you added right here, right? So let's say you added ABSA, Nedbank, FNB, or other banks that you have. You can name all them here, right? So right now we are using Nedbank. We're gonna type right here Nedbank, and they're gonna see it, right? And you're gonna go to this page. You're gonna click next. And right here we have to choose, right, market price or fixed price. But if we choose market price, well, the price is going to be changing according to the price of Bitcoin, right? So this is where we're going to be selling at. If we put fixed price, we're only going to sell at a certain price. But if we put market price, the price is going to be changing according to the price of Bitcoin. So the minimum of our trade, let's put like 200, right? Meaning that a person should only buy if they are willing to buy 200 and above. Okay, and our maximum amount, let's say like 10 grand. All right, because you want to make a lot of money, and this is very, very, very important. This is where you are making profit. This is where you are going to make profit. So this is offer margin, right? So basically this is a percent that you put for you to make profit. So let's say I want to make 10% from each and every trade. I'm just gonna put right here 10%, but 10% is actually like small for a bank transfer. Let's put a little bit like 14%. All right, cool. This means that we're gonna make 14% from each and every trade. So for example, right here you can see that for every 200 rand worth of Bitcoin you are selling on the market price, you will receive 228 rand. Okay, that's 14% of 200 rand. And right here you have time limits. This is the time you set for your trade. So let's say you want the trade to expire after 30 minutes. If they're not making payments and all that stuff, you want this trade to expire after 30 minutes. You can put the time right here, 30 minutes. Actually, I always leave it at 30 minutes because, you know, I give them a little bit of time so that they can make payments and stuff like that. There's no way a person can come to me and be like, yo, bro, I failed to make payments within 30 minutes. Bro, like 30 minutes is a lot of time, you know what I mean? So I always leave it at 30 minutes. So we're gonna go click next, and this is the final page. This is where you put your tags. So let's say you want a receipt after a trade, or you want a bank transfer receipt and so or something like that. You have to indicate it right here. If you don't want third parties and all that stuff, you have to indicate as well, but let them have freedom to send payments. So we're just gonna remove no third parties, right? Because we want them to have freedom to send this cash. So right here we're gonna have to choose another one. Let's say if you want them to send using the same bank, of course you can also click like right here, and these are offer terms. If you only want to trade with verified accounts, you're gonna have to click right here, but we want a lot of clients, so you know, we're just gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna go ahead and create an offer. So here are the details of this offer. As you can see, it says you want to sell Bitcoin and get paid using bank transfer. Right here in South African rands, you'll pay no one 0.5 fees. I mean, this is nothing, to be honest, because like they're giving you a lot of clients and stuff like that, and then you're only paying like 0.5 fees. I mean, 0.5% for transaction fees and stuff like that. I mean, it's very, very small. I don't even care about it anyway. You'll make a profit of 14% from each and every trade. So people can trade with between 200 South African rand to 10,000 South African rand and stuff like that, and you're gonna have to create an offer, and it's simple like that. You're just gonna chill and relax, waiting for buyers to come through. You know what I mean? And if you want to send it to someone, you can copy that link and send it to someone as well. You can see I made like, you know, multiple offers right here, and they're getting views and stuff like that. You can see this one got like 44 views, and I also made money with it, and you know, I sold like to over 30 people already using this offer only. So I'm trading right now using bank transfer. So I recommend each and every hustler right here who really want to try this out. P2P game right now is very, very, very hot in crypto industry. So you can go through other offers, gift cards. I mean, a lot of people are making killing with gift cards, to be honest, and we're gonna make a lot of videos about gift cards right here on this channel. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you're gonna make money with the no ones and stuff like that. And if you want to learn more about P2P, make sure you join the tradecenter.co.za, because these guys are P2P masters and they're killing it. And you know, they have a private group. That's where they pretty much educate each other when it comes to P2P trades and stuff like that. I mean, I'm also in a group and I learned a lot about P2P. That's why I'm here to share all this knowledge with you guys. So make sure you check out the tradecenter.co.za. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And if you are willing to learn more about P2P, make sure you check out Heavy Crypto Academy, and I'll leave the link in the description below as well, guys. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping channel by doing that. Therefore, I send that video. Love and peace, guys.